Hello folks, this is Cincinnati Auction King. Bring you another unboxing of some graded sports cards. And I have a couple of shipments here. I have a box here from 4 Sharp Corners. And I also have a box from a online auction house. Actually, this is from 4 Sharp Corners and this is from the local auction house. So let's take a look at them. We'll open 4 Sharp Corners first. Let's see what we have. Alrighty. We have shipment number 5 here. Let's get these set up. Folks, these are some 3D printed graded stands. And here's our first. This is Peyton Manning, 2015. This is Gen Mint 10. I wanted to get a few of his cards in my collection. Nice card here. And my next card is another Peyton Manning, 2014 Topps, Gen Mint 10. These are PSAs. I think my wife just came home, so the dogs are getting all upset and excited. This is a 2000 Victory Peyton Manning, another Gen Mint 10. Hey, these stands are great, and I'll put a link in the description for the stands so you can purchase those. And here's a 2005 Peyton Manning, another Gen Mint 10. And the last one, this is a Gen Mint 10, 2011. I can't even pronounce the card on this one. Panini. Another nice card. So 5 Peyton Mannings in my collection and all Gen Mint 10. Alright, let's open up the next box. Alright, this one is from Online Auction House. Sorry for the noise. Alright, the first one we got is, this is a Yang Ming basketball card, 1999. And we'll just put that in front. The next one is Wendell Clark hockey card. Again, I don't know much about hockey. I know a few players, but this is 1986. Hopefully Wendell Clark was a good player 31 years ago or 32 years ago. I never heard of him, so I'm not sure. This is a Mike Bibby basketball card. And this is 1998-99 Black Diamond card. Upper Deck. This is a Mario, I can't pronounce his last name, but I know the name. I'm familiar with the name, and he's a very good hockey player. This is 1987. And the last one is a Wally, I can't even pronounce his last name either, but I know he was a pretty good college basketball player, I believe, for the Miami, Ohio Miami, Ohio. And he went into pros for a while. 1999 Topps Chrome. And there's his card. All right, folks, there's the 10 cards that I purchased. The first 5 was from 4 Sharp Corners, and the other 5 is from an online auction house. And there you have it. Unboxing of my cards. Cincinnati Auction King, signing off, and I'll see you next time.